Are you tired of the copyright issues that come with finding the perfect image for your designs? Then say no, say goodbye to those worries as I introduce you to an incredible AI tool that empowers you to craft a stunning human lookalike images without any copyright violations or limitations. Alright, in this tutorial I'll be walking you through how to create this image that you have on the screen that looks almost real. Alright, to get started, all you just have to do is to follow the link in my description. Then you can be able to create all these images I'll be showing you later in this video. Alright, once you head to this website, the first thing you need to do is, okay, I'm just going to come back to the website so I can take this from the very beginning. Alright, when you get to this website, the first thing you need to do is to create on this create human frame. Okay, when you do that, you have a sample image like this. Then the first thing you want to do is you want to scroll to the top and come to this face section. In this face section, you want to click on upload button so that you can be able to upload the images that you need or the face that you need for the image generation. So for example, I have this here already. I have this image deleted, so I have to upload it again so that you can follow through with the procedure. So after that, I have to locate where the image is on my phone, then at which I used to, okay, click on done. Now this image is uploaded. The next thing I need to click on is update human. So when I click on update human, you'll see that this face will just change. You can see that we have different face for this image. It looks very real, close to the image that I have actually uploaded. You can see from here. So the next thing I need to do from here is I need to come to this gender section and select male, then update human. Now I have the male version of this my image. Then by the time you look at the face of this image generated and that of which I uploaded, you see that it is very real and it looks perfectly alike like what I've uploaded. So you can twist around and move around with this section, the skin tone, the ethnicity, the body type and all of that. So for the body type, I want to select average or athletic. I can't use curvy because this is not a lady, so I want to use athletic. Then click on update human. Then at the top section here we have the clothing section where I can choose the type of clothing that this my guy is putting on. Okay, on the clothing top I have t-shirts. Then I also have the clothing bottom, all of that. I have leggings, so I want to change that to jeans. So when I click on jeans, I click on update, so I can see the changes reflect immediately. So you can go around, customize the clothing, underwear, the footwear, the accessories. If you want this guy to be putting on cap or that, you can change the hairstyle. Coming back to the body section, to the hairstyle, you can change the long hair to another type of hair. You can use low cut. Okay, for example, before I change that, I want to quickly download this so that you can see that you can download this all for free without having to pay for anything. So I've downloaded that image already. So the next thing I want to do is I want to change the haircut to either short or medium long. So I'll click on update. So once I update that, my image will be updated. Now look at what I have. So I have this already. I can also download this version. Then instead of having to customize the hair over and over, if you are cool with this hair and the trousers and everything, you can just click on randomize. It will create another version of this image. So you can click on randomize several times to generate a newer version for this same image or this character. So you can use this for your design. Maybe you're looking to design a particular poster or graphics or anything, and you need image that is copyright free. So this tool is very helpful and useful for creating such images. Alright, so we just wait for some minutes for this to generate another version of this image. How fast this image is generated depends on your network strength and your device. So this can be generated under seconds and it can take up to minutes depending on your device. So I love this. This is a cool version of the image. I think this is looking very sweet. So I'll click on download. So you can go on and on and on about this and generate more videos on this as far as you want. So you can twist around or move around with the customization.